It is February 20th, 2024, and we are at 2424 East Pinon to do a quick walkthrough. This property will need to be cleaned out. It still has a lot of the owner's stuff left, so you have to dispose of all that. Nice tiled front room here. There's no lights on. I'm gonna go out this way. I take that back, there is a light on. Place is pretty well filled with stuff. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to be pretty much a normal gut and remodel. Let's walk out back if I can find my way out there, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, there's a little covered shed. Another shed here for storage. Pretty good size, filled with stuff. Goes all the way back over to there. Well, big backyard. Has a gate going out into the alleyway. That's always a good thing. Yeah, nice big backyard. And there we have it. 2244 East Pinon Drive, Tucson, Arizona. Give Rich Realty a call if you're interested. 520-760-1600. Thank you for watching.